Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the waterfall braid. Alright, let's get started.
The double waterfall braid, because
my bad.
Yeah, two's better than one. But I wanted to show how to do the regular waterfall braid, but I like the double one too. It's super cute, so let's get started. We're going to start this hairstyle with it parted also. So either way, whichever way you part it. And you kind of want, you want it to be parted a little bit more than you normally would. Like, you don't want it too far over this way, because we're going to braid both sides. So, okay, look up. All you really do to get started is just do a regular French braid. So you separate it into 3 pieces. This is a dry hairstyle. You just do a regular braid, and you take from both sides and smooth it like normal. And McKenna's going to help me with this hairstyle today. She's going to be my assistant again. So we're just going to start just doing the regular French braid for a little while, because I don't like to start it right away and the strands are like in her face. So what you want to do is the piece that's in front you want to give to the person and let them hold it, and then you grab a little piece from underneath to make up for that piece and you put it over and you start braiding it again regular and start taking from the top like normal. And then instead of putting this around here, you're going to give this to her. You're going to take again from underneath and just keep braiding. And you kind of want to do like thinner pieces just because it looks better the more that you do. And if you know they're too little to hold it, you can always use a clip and just clip it every time. So then you just take from underneath again.
You continue doing it all the way to the middle of it.
How did you know, McKenna?
You done it all.
A few times.
Yeah.
And you take it underneath. And you want to go, like McKenna said, exactly to the middle. And each time, I've seen this done a few different ways where you don't have to take from underneath. You just take like half from the top piece, and it makes it look like a waterfall braid. But I like it better this way, since it's thicker. Make it perfectly in the middle. Keep turning. So that's like the middle part right there. All I'm going to do is just kind of braid it a little bit. See how it makes a waterfall? Then you're just going to take a little rubber band, clear elastic, and just put it right here for now. Okay, so that's one side. And then you go over here and you start doing it on this side. Okay, so on this side you just part the hair in the middle. We're going to save this to do it later. And then you just part it like this. You take about this much hair. And you start making a regular French braid on this side. 3 sections over the top. And just do a regular French braid for a minute. For a couple. Okay. So now I'm going to start handing McKenna pieces again from this side. Hold that. And then take it from underneath. Over. And just do exactly the same thing on this side. You just take it. Some from the top, sure. Now, we're going to have to attach it to the other one here. So, now what we're going to do is, I'm going to let this piece go, and I'm going to take this piece and connect it with this one. So I'm going to take it out of the rubber band, and I'm basically going to connect these two together. So I'm just connecting it together. You got to be careful not to get the hairs caught in the rubber band because you're gonna do this one more time underneath. So basically, that's just a regular waterfall braid. That's how you do it. And the double one, we just start right underneath. And that looks really pretty. You can just wear it like that if you want to. So basically all you do is you take the first strand and some hair in the front right here, and you start braiding it regular. So you do the 3 sections again. Just do a regular French braid. Crossing it over. Just going to take regular hair from the bottom. The hair that you take from the top is the strand that you brought down from the first braid. And you just take all of it and you add it to the top. And then you just braid it regular. French braid. Take some from the bottom. But just make sure you're not taking the top piece. That can be kind of tricky. You have to pay attention to what you're doing. See, here's the next piece. Add it to the top. Turn it. I'm going to hand this to Mackenzie. And we're going to start the whole process over. That piece.
Just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait.
Okay, so we get down to here. Braid. Elastic.
Now we do the exact same thing to the side.
Yep. Making sure you don't get the top pieces. And then 3 sections. Start braiding it. Taking hair underneath. Add it to the top. There you go again. Making sure you don't take those top pieces. Turn. Taking pieces from the top. And you just go basically till there's no more hairs back here. So now we're in the back, you gotta turn around.
Alright.
And we're gonna add all of this to here. Okay. So basically we need to take this rubber band out, leaving the top one in. And you wanna take the top and add it to the bottom. And we're going to cover up the elastic so you don't have to worry. And you just want to do it right below. Look up. Right below the other one. And then this last piece just kind of looks like it flows into it. And then you just take them and you pull them down. And you can separate them to make them even. And then what I always like to do is accessorize, of course. And it is a little easier when our hair is a little straighter, but I think that looks pretty too. And I just have these cute little clips. And I have 2 of them, and I'm going to put one here at the top. And I'm going to put one at the bottom. And you can't even see the rubber bands, and it kind of looks like it keeps going around when you do that. So basically that's it. And then you just, of course, take some hairspray. Spray it. Spray away those little flyaways and the wispies.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Comment down below if you want to see us do a hairstyle. And like and subscribe, and thank you.
More